Hey everybody, we're going to do tonight, it's about almost 10 o'clock at night. A friend called me up, had a little bit of problem in his house. He wanted to do a blowout patch because he's moving out of here. We just touched some things up for him. And he wants these things here filled out. But this here, I'm going to teach you how to do a blowout patch. Okay? It's a very, very simple thing. Alrighty. Now we're into where we're going to actually put some mud on here. So what we'll do is we'll pull this out. Alright? Just put a little mud. Don't put a ton of mud on there. You don't want a heavy buildup on there. You want it so it sticks. Okay? Then what we'll do, this in. Don't push it through. All right, now, one side, other side. Do not put a lot of pressure.
Let me go over here.
Okay? You know that's on now. All right, and then what we'll do is this. We'll just put a real thin coat. And this is actually 45-minute mud. So within 45 minutes, that should be pretty good and sturdy. And we can coat it again. Some mud under there. Do not, don't put too much mud on the underneath, because it'll leave like a hump. What we'll do is we'll let this set up. And we have to coat this one. When you get used to this, it's not bad. But we'll let this set up, and then we'll come back and put another coat on. Okay, as you can see now, we've put 2 coats on here. All right, it's pretty nice, smooth. All we're going to do is we're going to hit it real easy. See how nice that is? It's so nice. Look at that. Smooth. Hit the edge. That's why you don't want to, you can feel it with your hand. You don't want to have a heavy buildup on the edge. Just run your hand, you'll be able to feel it. You can feel on some of the walls that they're not so even sometimes. This here, then you can tell the patch looks really nice. This is patch number 5. Here's patch number 6. Good. Now, get into the paint here. As we always do, just spread the paint. We actually got lucky on this job. The formula is the same. And I always like to overlap it some. Feather that out. Looks good. Looks fresh. Surprised how good I'm moving. My knee was hurting so bad. Got Jersey Mama on the camera. She's part of the everything through. If you wanted to even get more technical and you wanted to make it look exactly like a little bit of texture, because it's smooth right there, this paint actually is putting a little bit of orange peel on it. But you could actually get a can of texture, put the pressure up really, really high, and just mist it on there. Let that set, and it'll give you a cleaner look. In the sense of matching the orange peel. But this looks pretty good. I like to take it out a little bit further because you never know how far. Sometimes when you're sanding, you might hit some stuff and it mars it. Well, that about does it, guys. We'll just bring this together since it's so close. Oh, looks pretty good. I can't even see the patch. It's pretty good, huh?
Yes.
Well, thank everybody for watching. Hopefully this helps you with your next hole in your wall. It's a pretty simple process. Just follow that process and you should have no problem. Thank you for watching. On behalf of Jersey Mom and Big Daddy, peace out. See ya.